Hi there, I'm Professor Helen Caldwell, and this little video is to help us get started with geology during the summer session. I'm going to start by sharing my screen. Let's see if we can do that, because I want to make sure that everybody can see what's going on. So this is supposed to be the student view when you log into a class. Get up to the top. So EAR 110G, Section 70, Physical Geology for the summer of 2022. There's nothing due today, so jumping to today's Saturday, won't take you anywhere. You'll notice that there's a list of things off to the side, the to-do list, the little megaphone is an announcement, things that look like a square with a pencil are assignments, and the ones that have this little icon that looks like a plane taking off, those are always quizzes. You can see on the left-hand side of the page, there are some tabs you could click on. If you click on home, this pops up. If you click on assignments, you'll see a list of assignments coming up in order by their due date. So upcoming assignments will show up. You can see, since nothing's due until Monday, that's the earliest. You will want to click on that eventually. Let's go back to the home page and scroll down. So another way, besides clicking on assignments or clicking on things on the to-do list on the right-hand side, another way to find out what's due is to go down to the bottom of the home page and look at the course summary. So you can see it lists things by date, the details, which you can click on and go to the assignment. And it also tells you the time that it's going to be due. Some things are due in the middle of the day. For example, that rock kit. Almost all of you already have a rock kit. I think I've only got 3 people that are missing it. If you're one of those 3 people, you need to reach out to me by email so we can arrange for you to get your rock kit. But as you see, as we go down, let's click on getting started and see what happens. So this assignment is unpublished. Well, that's because this one assignment, in order to do it, you have to activate BioSig for this particular course. So what we want to do is come over to modules on the left-hand side. You can see I'm over here on the left. Come to modules, click on it, and you can see that there's a BioSig introduction and then there's an enrollment. So you'll want to follow these two. If I click on the BioSig introduction, it explains what's going on. This shows you how to do it, start to finish, ready. It'll tell you to hit the next button and so on. So once you have done the BioSig introduction, that first assignment will pop up. It's a little short questionnaire, basically a little background information for me. And then we should be able to continue with assignments during the semester. The only time you have to start with this module with the BioSig is at the very beginning of the course, so that the computer knows it's you. We won't use BioSig for every assignment, but I'm required to use it for some of them. I think, I'm going to go back to home. I think that that's all the starting information that you need. As always, if you have questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to send me an email. I check my emails first thing in the morning, which means if you send one at lunchtime or one in the afternoon, I may not see it until the next day. Another thing I will tell you, most of the assignments are short. However, the labs take longer than you imagine. So anytime you see lab, you need to be sure to start it early so that you have plenty of time to get the work done. Everything else is fairly short and straightforward, but the labs take more time, mostly because I'm not in the room with you. All right, so I'm going to stop my share And I'm going to stop the recording and hope that we all have a happy semester full of lots of cool, neat, new stuff. Bye. Whoops.